Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log out of your Pinterest account. Let's get started. So if you want to log out of your Pinterest account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Pinterest application. And after opening up your Pinterest application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the save option, which is on the bottom of your screen. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on your account or your profile, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you will find a login section. So here you can find the login section, and inside that login you will find a logout option. So just tap on it. After tapping on that, here you can see guys, you have successfully logged out of your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log out of your Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.